you have to decide who's you want to be the Miss Norwegian Escape 2015 by your applause. Families and friends, if you think contestant number 1 deserves the title, make some noise for contestant number 1! You're in first place. Contestant number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, step forward, number 4. Number 5. Step forward, number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. One more. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. 8. And 9. Okay, now he will give you your prize, ladies. Okay, we're gonna put number 6 up as well. So congratulations, thank you very much. So ladies and gentlemen, we have our top 3. Now, again, you can only vote once. Of course, the winner for this Miss Norwegian Escape 2015 will be receiving a keychain made in China. Okay, again, families and friends, if you want to, what's your number? 4, 5, and 6. Yes, if you think contestant number 4 deserves the title, make some noise for contestant number 4. How about contestant number 5? Contestant number 6. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our second place is none other than contestant number 6. Okay, so we have 2 left. Hold each other's hands. Both hands, both hands. Like Miss Yun, there you are. In case the Miss Norwegian Escape cannot fulfill her title, the first runner-up will take the place. Okay, will take the crown. If you decided not to continue your reign, you have to pass it to her. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up is none other than contestant number... I'm talking about the first runner-up. The first runner-up is number 4, number 5. Which one? Show me your hands. Not that finger, sir. What's wrong with you? Okay, the first runner-up goes to contestant number 4, and the winner is contestant number 5. Thank you very much. You will get your crown. Don't jump, Mamita. Don't jump. Stop. Okay. Thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much. Now, this is your second time to win the title as Miss Norwegian blah blah blah. How does it feel? Beautiful! Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. And this is your prize, Miss Norwegian Escape 2015, our friend all the way from Mexico. Congratulations. Only that? Yes, it's more than $1. Yes! Families and friends, give yourself a round of applause, and to our candidates, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to turn over the microphone to Miss Christina, but not yet. She says, we're looking for